Greetings to our friends in the net of bird-friendly Amazonian International. Today is August 27, 2023. This time we are broadcasting from the Republic of Birds. This is a garden dedicated to the birds of the province of Morona, Santiago. This is a natural monument created at the front of the bus terminal of Macas, the capital of the province of Morona, Santiago. Today is a sunny day here. It's one of those days in summer when it is hot. This is the neighborhood of the bus terminal looks like today. It is so sunny. There is the bus terminal. This garden was created with the purpose to exist as an ecological patch for those birds that exist in the natural surroundings of the bus terminal of Macas. There is a meaningful diversity of plants in this small garden. We see some Stachytarpetas jamaicensis here in the center of this garden. They are in the family Verbenaceae. Look, the shape of these tiny flowers is unique. The color of these flowers are purple. There is a plant, Abagnistus arborensis, in the family Solanaceae. This plant will attract to those tanagers that exist in the natural surroundings of this place. Now they are growing. This is Bird-Friendly Amazonian International. We hope that you enjoyed this video. We are going to be back later with another broadcast.